Welcome back to Melamac Art. My name is Mickey, and today I have a very special unboxing from a very special lady. And her name is Autumn, and she owns Sketchbook Shop Co. And so she makes these amazing little sketchbooks, medium-sized sketchbooks, and large ones too, because I kind of asked her to make me a large one. And here's the little one. So I've been filling this one up. So it's nice to have a little one for like little personal works. And I've named it Jerry. And it's number 4 out of 11. And her YouTube channel is Artchiu, and I'll put all the links below. This is the first one I bought. So it's just a children's book. And she personalized them. And this one comes with the elastic, and she's moved away from the elastic now and is now using the faux leather strap, which is really cool. So, and this paper was 90-pound, and now she's offering up the 140-pound paper, which is holds a lot better water media. And the largest one I have, which I have done I can't fit it all in the frame, so it's like a 9 by 11 or 14. So it's really big, and I absolutely love it. I've got it all clamped because I want to do something on this page, and I like to set it up here and just put it up and work on it there. And you guys have seen me do something on it at some point, so I'm going to put this over there. She did add a little bonus because we were talking about paints, and we were like, what can I give you and that you don't have? And so we're going to exchange paints, so I cannot wait to open this. But here is this guy, and I have been waiting all day to open this. I've just been waiting patiently, and I don't want to, this looks like it's actually wool. He always does the sweetest packaging. I have this other stuff that she used to package, and it's this very cute little filamenty thread. I don't know why I'm keeping it, probably because it's just so special. Oops. I keep yanking my, sorry about that if I'm affecting the microphone. So let's see, she's got this really teeny washi tape that's very, very strong. I don't know how it's holding. Oh my gosh, is this the cotty paper? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at her. She's got a stamp. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like a linen surface and spiral bound, and I think this is all cotty paper. Or no, it's, oh my god, is this Artchiu's paper? It's Artchiu's paper. Oh my god. Sorry. I'm in tears. So this is a surprise. All of this is, I've never used Artchiu's paper. I'm like tearing up. This is so special. I cannot wait to start using this. Okay, I'm going to take a moment here. Okay, so I've taken a minute. I am just blown away. This is her hand. I think maybe hers drawing. I'm not sure. Can't really tell. Or if that was on there. I think this is, I just don't know, but I am so grateful. Thank you so much, Autumn. Ugh, I'm so excited. Now, so I'm going to open this one now. I think I'm going to bring you down over here. Sorry, you get to see a lot more of my mess. This is how I work in this little space. I'm gonna Need a little more. Okay, I can push this back. My girl in frame now. She's got lavender in here, so this is going to be a little interesting getting it out. And I loved it when I opened the original package, which she kind of triple packaged because it was packed with love. I was like, I could smell this lavender. So she's got some little samples in here for me. I'm just going to have to tear this because it's staying. And I'm going to try to save all this lavender. Isn't that sweet? Smells so good. Okay, so diving into this. So I think we're trading our Daniel Smiths, and she gave me a little 10. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, look. She even swatched them out for me. That's so nice. Oh, I love these colors. Oops. Now let's see. She packaged these really fast, and I had to like wait so long for mine to dry. Oh, she's got the... Okay, good. She did put wax paper on. I was wondering if she did. That's a great idea. Oh my word, look how juicy they are. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, good. This is perfect. These came out great. Oh, so I'm gonna let them dry a little bit more before I mess around with them. But this is the initial unboxing, guys. Isn't this great? Isn't this like the best mail you could ever get? Isn't it? Watercolors. Oh, I'm blown away. Okay, so now, sorry about that, my phone died kind of at a perfect place too, so I could move on to this. So they've kind of dried a little bit. See that they've got a nice little matte sheen. So this is Nickel Azo Yellow, which is a PY 150. Kind of far away, so I don't know if I can get any closer. I'm gonna try. Can you see there? Yeah. The only thing that's in the way is this water bucket, so. Okay. And this is a really great yellow because it's in a lot of these mixes. And the next one is Undersea Green. It's PB29 and PO48, and this color PY150. It's so pretty. And the next is a Serpentine Green Genuine. This is a Primatech color. So this would be considered ground stone, I guess, gems. And this is a deep sap green. Oops, I got the wrong one. I dove into the... So this sap green has a PO48, which is a quinacridone deep kind of orange, and a PY3 and a PB27. Ooh, this is nice. This is Zoisite Genuine. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm going to kind of give a darker... Oh. I need to put my glasses on. I hate that I need glasses, but that's better. So I have just put in deep sap green in the Zoisite. So this is how it's going to go, apparently. All right, so let me get back to the Zoisite darker here. They're actually really pretty together. So this is a kyanite, and it's kind of shiny. Kyanite is another Primatech color. It's really glittery. Next is Daniel Smith's Indigo, which is an Andanthrone blue and a black, which is a PB60 and a PBK6. So, and the last on the end here, oops, I'm going to go to the next section. I'm getting mixed up because I'm really focusing on the color and not what I'm doing over here. This is Moonglow. It's got a Viridian green in it, an ultramarine blue, and a red, which is PR 177 of a chart in front of me, which is like an alizarin crimson color. So it's really pretty. You can see that red popping through. This next is Rose of Ultramarine. Which has got PB29, which is ultramarine blue, and a violet color in it, PB19. Next is, I've never seen this one before. This is PB32. Looks like a quinacridone color. Look at that. Whoa. This is Bordeaux. And it looks like a really deep quinacridone violet. PB32. And this is a Mayan red, which looks just like a quinacridone coral. But it's a 287. Do I have another 287? It's in the quinacridone red family. Very, very nice. Very pink. This is a Perylene red. This is a really good replacement for a cadmium red. So if you want something a little, what's 178? Let's see. It's like close to the rose madder, but not. 178. But it's a Perylene red, so that would be, Perylene is like a dye, I believe. Ooh, black tourmaline genuine. That's cool. Ooh, that would be really good for nice shadows. So you know you're not going to go too strong, but you can layer and it's a little bit granulating. Very cool. I have plans. A Perylene green. Whoops, what am I doing? Okay, yes, a Perylene green, which can be very, very, very dark. It's actually a black pigment. It's PBK31. And we have another PBK31 over here with Holbein. However you say it, Holbein. This is Holbein's Indigo, which is a Prussian blue and a black together, which makes a lot of sense for an indigo. So here we go. Here's the other PBK31. They look pretty similar. And I'm off camera. So here's the Perylene green from Winsor & Newton. And I'm running my brush through it like that to see what kind of granulation will come through, what kind of texture I can get from it. Doesn't really make sense what I'm doing, but to me it does. That Tourmaline Genuine has like a pink undertone. I don't know if you can see it. Very cool. So I don't know if you can see it, but this kyanite is very glittery. I'm not a big glittery person, but that's really cool. I love it with this like a gray blue color. And this Moon Glow, you can see a little bit of the red coming through. Very nice. Oh, this is so beautiful. That was zoisite with the deep sap green. That was kind of a fun, a happy accident, I think. It looks really cool. So, all right, well, these are amazing. And I'm so, so lucky. Ugh. Thank you so much, Autumn. You guys need to go see her. She is just an amazing person, and she makes these awesome sketchbooks, and she is an amazing artist. You have got to see her stuff. I mean, look at these crisp, clean swatches. I'm so messy. I cannot say enough. You really should go check her out and see what she's got, and tell her I said hi. So, whoopsie, there goes Jerry. So thank you for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.